How to make your lawn healthy and green. Lawns are much simpler than many fertilizer companies would have you believe. Using some common household items, you can grow an incredibly green and healthy lawn. Things you will need: lemon soap, Epsom salt, aerator spikes. A lawn needs just a few things to be healthy. The first thing, of course, is water. Watering your lawn every 3 days in the heat of the summer is a great idea to keep it hydrated. Water at night or early morning, for about 30 minutes per area. Saturation is better than a quick spray over. Put 1 teaspoon of lemon-scented dish soap such as palm olive into a hose and sprayer. Fill the sprayer with water connected to your garden hose. Spray your lawn over with this solution about twice a month. The soap deters bugs and insects from destroying your lawn, cleans the grass so better photosynthesis can take place, and softens the soil. Apply once a month from a fertilizer spread or Epsom salt to your lawn. The salt releases nitrogen, which is the prime ingredient in commercial fertilizer. Don't overdo it. Put your spreader on a setting of 3/4 ths closed. Twice a growth season, aerate your lawn. Aeration separates the undergrowth thatch and allows air water to reach the roots of your grass. Some people prefer coring aerators, but aeration spikes or spike shoes have worked well for me. If you can find an old pair of golf shoes with metal spikes, just cut your lawn wearing these. Your lawn will love you for it, and you will love your green lawn.